Eclipso is a fictional supervillain in the DC Comics universe. The character is the incarnation of the wrath of God and the angel of vengeance that turned evil and was replaced by the Spectre. Eclipso first appeared in House of Secrets number 61 and was created by Bob Haney and Lee Elias. Originally, Eclipso was written as a generic villain with average superpowers who would routinely enact an elaborate plot to fulfill his hedonistic motivations. However, the 1992 Darkness Within miniseries modified the character to be an evil and megalomaniacal entity. Eclipso's character laments the power he once had as a spirit of divine vengeance. Eclipso would frequently seek to possess beings of incredible power like Superman, Lar Gand, and Captain Marvel to achieve his ends. Eclipso's early comics debut is tied to his first modern host, Bruce Gordon, a scientist specializing in solar energy. While in the jungle, to view a solar eclipse, Gordon was attacked by a tribal sorcerer named Moffer. Before plunging to his death off a cliff, Moffer wounded Gordon with a black diamond. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.